stuff. Thanks. Bye.
Hi there, I'm Vayan Alagalion. I'm 18 years old from Cababaran City, and I love painting my life with yellow, pink, and purple hues. I love hanging out with my friends, creating fun memories, and enjoying each other's company. When I'm not exploring new adventures, you'll find me immersed in the world of Wattpad, listening to music and enjoying myself watching good movies. I'm also a huge fan of K-pop. I absolutely adore groups like EXO, Twice, 17, Kiss of Life, and aespa. That's me in a nutshell. I look forward to sharing my colorful world with you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Merson Alcantara from Bayugan City. I am 26 years old and I finished my senior high school at Bayugan City Senior High Standalone, Barangay Pili, Bayugan City. And then my profession hobby is I am a hairdresser and I work a boutique salon for almost 11 years as a hairdresser located at Bayugan City Public Market. And now I am student Botuan Doctor College and Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. Thank you.
Go! Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Chunika Baton. I'm 18 from San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. We're 6 in our family, including my two doggies. They call me Baby, some call me Nika. I love to bake and to cook to my family. I also love to sing, I love to dance and make TikTok videos, even though I can't dance. My favorite color is pink. I also love to be with my friends' company. We love to laugh. Everything for us is really fun.
Hi guys, my name is Carl Justin Felisco Gurhio. I live in Purok 5A, Bunbun, Butuan City, and I'm 19 years old. My hobbies are playing basketball, cooking, and singing. I graduated at BCSAT, or known as Butuan City School of Arts and Trade, and I chose BHM, or Hospitality Management, because I want to enhance my skills and I want to learn some new skills. That's it. Thank you.
Hi sir, ako di ay si Daniela Tilos Boy sir, and I'm 18 years old. I live in 779 JC Aquino Avenue, Purok 4, Tandang Sora, Butuan City. And I graduated my senior high school at Agusan National High School and now studying at Butuan Doctors College and taking the Bachelor of Science in Midwifery program. And talking about myself is ako nga tao is kanang gusto ko nga ako ra mapag-isa ra jud ko, then hilig ko og sayaw, hilig ko og kanta, then I can also play guitar, and hilig ko og music, listening music, then crochet, then ako is simple ra jud ko nga pagkatao, then mara.
Hello, my name is Meliara Christine Moca. I am 18 years old and I live in Purok 5A, Salad, Mahogany, Butuan City. I graduated my senior high at Agusan National High School with a young strength. I have a deep passion for reading books which allow me to explore different worlds and ideas. I value spending time with my family and friends, whether we are having a casual hangout or engaging in meaningful conversations. These moments are very precious to me. It's all about me. Thank you.
No, you're not. She's a
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. My name is Alona Picolov, 17 years old, live in Barangay Baan, KM2, Butuan City. father's name is Daniel G. Colov, and my mother's name is Lizelle Poyentan Colov. And my mom is passed away since birth. And I will tell about myself. So I love cooking, reading, and also I love watching K-drama. So that's
Hello everyone, my name is Peter Ivan T. Chato. My age is 18 years old. I graduated in Informatic Computer Institute of Agusan del Sur Incorporated. I live in Purokdos, Rizal, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. Ang akong rason nganong gipili nako ang midwifery tungod sa ako ang lola o auntie. Sila ang akong inspirasyon. Kay sa una man good, 11 years old pa ko, ang akong auntie ginadala ko sa birthing clinic. Ug dito nako nakita ang unsa kalisod ang ilang trabaho. Na-inspire pug ko kay gusto jud nako nga makatabang pod sa ubang tao.
Hello everyone, my name is Danalyn Valdez. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Poblacion, Sibagat, Agusan del Sur. I graduated high school at Father Saturnino, Orius, Sibagat, Agusan del Sur. My hobbies are dancing, sleeping, eating, and reading. I also like watching K-pop, especially in Hypen and 17. And I play two kinds of sports, badminton and volleyball. And I'm also a family-oriented girl. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good day. My name is Caroline Insumo. I live in Noli, Bayugan City.
I finished my senior high school at Bayugan National Comprehensive High School, taking the program Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. Upon staying there, I enjoyed it very much. Moreover, I love cooking my favorite food and eating it, like pasta and some raw meat. Also, I'm enjoying putting my makeup on and go some places like beach and taking videos to myself.
I hope you enjoy my introduction video. Thanks, bye!
Maayong buntag sa tanan, ako day si Gian Carlo D. Coma, nagpuyo sa Barangay Santo Niño, Butuan City, og ni-graduate sa Mindanao Institute, Cabadbaran City. Og usa sa akong mga habit na ang pagkanta, pagduwag volleyball, badminton, ug daghan pang uban. Maura to. Bye!
Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Joyce Habian. I am 17 years old. I'm from Calamba, Cabadbaran City, Agusan del Norte. And I graduated my senior high school at Cabadbaran City National High School. And I am a BS midwifery student. And I love singing, dancing, cooking, swimming, and badminton. So, my hobbies are reading fiction books. I also love watching animes and C-dramas. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Karen Aylain. I'm 18 years old. I was born on August 9, 2005. I'm from Candies, Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental. And I graduated my senior high school in Consuelo National High School with honor. My hobbies is watching movie, listening music, playing online games, and also cooking. And I have one brother and 3 sisters, and also I have half brother in my father's side.
Hi, my name is Epela Winston. I was born on April 17, 2006. I finished my senior high school at Mindanao Institute. I live in Cabadbaran City, Agusan del Norte. My hobbies is watching movies and playing volleyball.
A pleasant day everyone. My name is Lavrose B. Mapula, 18 years old, from BSM 1. And I graduated my senior high school at Agusan National High School. And I currently live in Barangay Biliacananga, Butuan City. And we are two siblings in our family, and I am the youngest girl. And my hobbies are playing badminton, volleyball, and I also love cooking. And now I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Midwifery here in Butuan Doctors College. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Meliara Christine Moca. I am 18 years old and I live in Purok 5A, Salad, Mahogany, Butuan City. I graduated my senior high at Agusan National High School with a young strength. I have a deep passion for reading books which allow me to explore different worlds and ideas. I value spending time with my family and friends, whether we are having a casual hangout or engaging in meaningful conversations. These moments are very precious to me. All about me. Thank you.
I know is not in her. She's a
Good day. I am Kiana Tidornaynay. I am 18 years old. I live in Purok 2, Magsaysay, Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur. My hobbies are singing and dancing. And during my free time, when boredom strikes good, is ganahan jud ko matulog, mo jud akong ginabuhat, and also mukaon, pero wag gyapon na nambok. And I love to play badminton sometimes. And yes, because that's it. That is my favorite sports. And that's it po. Thank you.
Good day everyone, especially to you sir. My name is Angel Mian Umba and I am 19 years old from Lubuk, Pantilan, Surigao del Sur. I finished my senior high at St. Michael College, Cantilan Incorporated. And I am also a member of Indigenous People. And my hobbies are playing volleyball and my favorite color is black and white.
Madyo nga hinaat kaninyo nga tanan, ako di ay si Julian Rose V. Paglinawan, usa ka babae og 18 anyos ang pangidaron. Alang sa inyong kasayuran, akong nahuman ang akong junior high school sa Butuan City School of Arts and Trades ug ni-graduate ko sa akong senior high school sa St. Joseph Institute of Technology Annex Campus. Ug ako karon kasamtangan nga nagporsige og human sa akong kolehiyo sa Butuan Doctors College sa kurso nga Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. Aron ako inyong mas maila, ang pagkanta, pag-makeup o pagduwag volleyball, mao ang mga butanga akong ginakahiligan kung ako adunay libre nga panahon. Maura to, dagang salamat!
And my mottos in life, maging kayo masaya.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Kayla Coriza Ortiz Ruaza. I am an 18 years old and I currently living in Pankin, Carrascal, Surigao del Sur. And I graduated my senior high school at Carrascal National High School. So guys, ang ako hobby sa life is, guess guys, tukmaan ninyo. Bitaw, ang ako hobby is, matulog, mukaon, o magluto, but, ayun na ninyo kung ano sa akong gusto lutuin. But I really love eating talaga guys. And, sipat kay ko. Bahala mo kung malain mo na ako, basta sipat kay ko. Mga orato, bye-bye!
Hi, my name is Shannon Kirstine Establon and I'm 19 years old. I live in Nasipit, Agusan del Norte. And I graduated at Northwestern Agusan Colleges. And what I like is I like to sing. And also I love to play futsal. And also I like to read books. and I like to watch documentary movies, and also I love to cook, and that's all.
Good morning everyone, especially to you sir. My name is Adrian T. Angelis, 19 years old from Lubuk Cantilan, Surigao del Sur. I also finished my senior high school at Carrascal National High School. I am also a part of a Manumbu tribe we called Ibis. My hobbies are sleeping, cooking, and playing volleyball. And my favorite color is olive green and dark blue.
Good day everyone, I am Jebs Aranyo Torre Palma. I'm 18 years old and I live in Proxing, Kudugaman, Anticala, Butuan City. But currently I live in Lapisana Extension, so nag-boarding house ako sa Lapisana Extension. And I completed my senior high school at Asian College Foundation, Stepona Village, Libertad, Butuan City. And I'm a certified caregiver. Tungod kay akong ikuha nga track or strand sa Asian College Foundation is caregiving and sito. Tungod kay Asian College Foundation is a medical school. Then, my hobbies are eating, walking, sleeping, cooking. Then, I love also indoor gardening. Kaya every time ma-stress ko, mananom ra ko bulak, mag-flower arrangement, then mag-design sa cortina. Mawala din akong stress, then mukaon, matulog. Mawala na siya akong pampawala sa stress. Then, hilig po ko mag-search og mga kasi-klaseng bulak sa internet, ug unsa po ilang mga benefits sa tuwag sa itong environment. So, magin ako mga hilig, guys. Then, hilig sab ko mag-design sa balay or fashion designer. So, hilig po ko maging ana. Then, mga kini sa inyo makita, no, bisag diri sa boarding house na po ko yung mga bulak, no, na as you can see sa akong likod na ko yung mga bulak na po sila mga benefits na makatabang sa tuwa. Then, what inspired me to be a midwife? So, I choose to study midwifery as I wanted the opportunity to make a difference to women's lives and their families. Then, ang tana guys, magpadayon lang ta sa tumapanganoy sa kinabuhi, no? Tapatas tagpasensya as a midwife. Then, patience is the key, Jude. Then, keep calm, study hard, and become a midwife. Thank you.
Hello guys! Good evening sir, good evening classmates. I am Krisha Umbatagyam. I am 19 years old. I am from Carrascal, Surigao del Sur. I graduated my senior high at Carrascal National High School. So I am single and I am also a part of Manubuk tribe, indigenous people. Yes, so my hobbies are playing volleyball, eating, sleeping, and playing guitar, and also swimming. Yes.